In this video, we'll continue to strengthen our confidence related to division, as well as look a little more closely at what the remainder really means, why there's a remainder and how that works. So let's look at this first example question. 146 miners need to ride the elevator to the bottom of the mine. The elevator can hold only 7 miners at a time. So how many miners will be in the elevator on its last trip? So we need to figure out how many groups of 7 we can take out of 146, and then how many will be left over for this last trip. And that's what the question's actually asking us. So let's start with the basic division. On the side, I'm going to write our steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And then I'm going to write the division right here. 146 divided by 7. I'm going to go ahead and start the steps. Beginning with division. How many 7s can I take out of 1? I can't take any 7s out of 1, so I'm going to put a 0. 0 times 7, next is multiplying. Little multiplication there. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down the 4. Back to dividing. How many 7s can I take out of 14? I know that 2 times 7 is 14, so I can take 2. Answer to division questions go on top. Next step, multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. Whoops. 14. Followed by subtracting. 14 minus 14 is 0. Then bring down. Bring down the 6. How many 7s can I take out of 6? I cannot take a whole group of 7 out of 6. So I'm going to say 0. 0, multiply now. 0 times 7 is 0. Minus equals 6. Bring down, nothing left to bring down. Remainder, 6. So we've now figured out that there'll be 20 different trips taking 7 miners at a time down. But after those 20 trips, there'll still be 6 remaining miners. So how many miners will be in the elevator on its last trip? It won't be full. There'll only be 6 miners in the very last trip. This next example says, Lucia made 213 pieces of peanut brittle to share with her friends. She's a nice girl. She put 8 pieces of peanut butter in each tin. How many pieces of peanut brittle did Lucia have left over? So if we felt like it, we could just draw out 213 and then make groups of 8, but that would take a really long time. So we're going to use long division again. We've already got our steps on the side. So we're going to do 213 divided by 8. How many groups of 8 can we take out of 213? And then the question is actually asking us how many pieces of brittle will be left over. So we'll get a remainder. She won't have a perfect number to fit in those tins for her friends. She'll have some left over that she can eat for herself. So first step, divide. How many 8s can I take out of 2? 0. 0, multiply. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down. Bring down the 1. Divide. How many 8s can I take out of 21? 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 is too big, so it has to be the 2. 2. Multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract. 21 minus 16, I'm going to borrow, it becomes a 1, that becomes an 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5. Bring down. Bring down the 3. Divide. How many 8s can I take out of 53? 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56, so it has to be 6. 56 is too big. 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract. 53 minus 48, borrow. 13 minus 8 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down. Nothing left to bring down. Yep, we can't take 8 out of 5, so we're on the right track. Our remainder is 5. So this nice girl, Lucia, was able to make 26 tins for her 26 friends. She has a lot of friends. In each tin, there was 8 pieces of peanut brittle, but she ends up with 5 pieces left over that she can keep for herself. So how many pieces of peanut butter did she have, or peanut brittle did she have left over? 5. Last example in this section. A car dealership needs to transport 547 cars to an island. The ferry can hold only 5 cars at a time. How many cars will the ferry take on its last trip? So it's taking these trips with 5 cars, but then the very last one will be uneven. I can tell that because this number is not divisible by 5. Because I'm really comfortable with my multiplication, I think I can guess that it'll be 2 cars left over, because 45 is divisible by 5, but 47 would be 2 more. Let's find out. So writing the division down, 547 cars divided by 5, because we can take 5 each trip. First step, divide. How many 5s can I take out of 5? Hopefully you can all see that. 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down the 4. Back to division. How many 5s can I take out of 4? I cannot take any 5s out of 4 dots, so a 0 on top. 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down the 7. Division. How many 5s can I take out of 47? I know that 5 times 9 is 45, and 5 times 10 is going to be 50, so that's too big. Has to be 9. 9 times 5, 45, subtract 2, bring down, nothing left. Is our divisor bigger than our remainder? Yes, it is. So we are in the clear. Remainder 2. So as I suggested, our answer was 2 in the end, but let's talk about it. So out of the 547 cars, the ferry is able to transport them 5 at a time, and it takes 109 trips. But the very last trip, there's only 2 cars on the ferry, there's 2 left over, and that's what it's asking us. So 2 cars on the last trip. That's it for this section. Good luck.